Hello YouTube, another quick video for the MLB tool. This is for Audi keys. So I'll be making a spare key for this car. This is the original key, which I will put on the sensing area and do a quick read, key identification. Right, so there we are. That's our key identified. We've got the part number, the hardware version, the software version, the state, whether it's locked or unlocked, and the initialization status. So with that, we click OK. And so obviously we have to read, this is the new key. Right, so that goes in the sensing area. Always put a battery when you're reading these new keys. Always connect your battery. So we do the same thing, key identification. Please put key in the sensing area. Okay, so the battery, I know the battery is not, let's start again. Identification, put key, it fails again. So that's got everything. Okay, there we go. We should be able to get a read now. Please put key. Right, the battery holder wasn't sitting properly. It wasn't, so the battery wasn't making any contact. So there we go, guys. That's our part number. Hardware locked. It's not locked, as you can see right here. Lock state, not locked. Initialization, uninitialized. So this key is OEM key. You can read the IMO data without disassembling. So select acquire OEM key when acquiring data. So we click OK, and we just swiftly move along to collect key data. So these diagrams, connection diagrams that we have to go with. So we're moving swiftly to opening this original key. This one. Guys, these are really difficult keys to open. See, really hard. There we go, finally. These are difficult to open, believe me, guys. So that goes to one side. What's that in there? Got a little, okay, so this is our key type. So we go back to the connection diagrams. So it's not this one. No, it's not this one. Okay, so let's look at type 2. It's this one. Definitely this one. That's our connection diagram there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so with this, okay, all right, so there's two caps. Remove selected cap. So if you can see right here in between there, that little one has to come off, and this one right at the end has to come off. So once that all comes off, we are using adapters. We get the right adapter. Alright, we'll get the right adapter for that. So this is a type 2. So all these adapters are labeled. They are clearly labeled. Right, so this is, try to be right, so MLB diagram type 2, and it says here, I hope you can see. Oh, okay, MLB there. I hope you can see, guys. MLB type 2. So that's going to be our choice for this job. So now I'm just going to start removing this little chip and that chip, and then we go to the next step that will be reading the key. Right, so I've done all desoldering on this side of the key. Done all desoldering. So now I have an option of using these solder-free adapters, but for some reason I think I'll choose to do with soldering. I'll go with soldering in this instance. So I will move this to one side and do the soldering. So I'll try to show you just the one time the solder. That's the soldering diagram, just so you stop wondering. Right, so we've got yellow going there. Oh, shit. Right, I had all my cables entangled. So yellow or VCC. Goes there. And then black. So slippery. There we go. And then the red. Right, so that's our soldering done. So now we connect VCC1 to VCC, and then that's gonna go right here on the USB. And this one goes in the USB. Right, I'll just move this slightly down. Right, so click OK, and back, connection, collect key data. Detected that the device does not read the vehicle information. Continue to acquire data. Save. Click yes to start acquisition. Acquisition of original keys. Use of the OEM key will cost points. Acquire OEM key free of charge and put the OEM key. So for me, it's the third option. Acquire the OEM key free of charge and put the OEM key in the VVDI MLB device in identification area. Okay, before proceeding. Okay, so I have to, right, so I've put in this new shell with the battery. So just double check. See. Okay, so we have good frequency. So we're going to collect the key data now. Yes, and then we go with that option. You can see the remote is blinking successfully. Click OK to save emo data. Okay, so we save it here. MLB emo data. Okay, so save file success, and we click OK. So now we can then make the dealer key reading key information. Please wait. Alright, so click OK to start loading the saved. Okay, so that's our emo data right there. That's our emo data. We click it, click open, insert the new key in the identification area. We already have this key in the identification area. Okay, so we'll click OK. So you see the red fob light, and now it's communicating with the server, starting to make key. Please wait. Make dealer key success. So there we are, guys. We've made our dealer key So now what's left is to replace the capacitors that I removed from. So make dealer key success. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this off and put that one side. Okay, and so I'm just going to quickly desolder this. That's one off. Two off. I actually find it easier to solder and desolder these keys than using an adapter, solder-free adapter. Quite fiddly, and it may take a few attempts to get it right, but you know, the thing with soldering is just straight to the point. So anyway guys, I really enjoyed making this video. Please comment. Yeah, just one other thing I need to say before. So if you buy these aftermarket keys, right, they are different to the originals. Okay, I'll do another video just to help some people out there that, like, you know, perhaps you think if you buy an aftermarket key and you transfer the components, the internal components, there's just some differences. See the edge of these keys? Sure you can see. And then I will just slowly turn them over. There is some differences here and there. So anyway, thanks for watching guys.